Hi everyone, it's Kulukala. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a makeup that is inspired by a doll makeup. So I collect several types of dolls. I collect mainly Pullips and BJDs. And with Pullips, they all have the same head pretty much, but what makes them different from one another is their makeup. So today I'm going to do a makeup inspired by a Pullip makeup. And the doll that I have chosen today is Pullip Prunella. I don't have this doll in my collection, but it's a very popular Pullip doll because of her makeup. So the makeup that I'm going to be doing today will be inspired by Pullip Prunella's makeup. So far I have just done my face makeup, so I have applied primer, foundation, concealer, powder and bronzer, but that's it. So first I'm going to apply blush, and Pullip Prunella doesn't really have a lot of blush. She has a little bit of pink blush, so I'm going to apply my Sephora blush in the color Pink Flush, and I'm not going to apply a lot, just a little bit. Next step is doing the brows, and this doll's eyebrows are pretty unique because it's darker at the inner corner and it's lighter at the tip of the brow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fill them with two different eyeshadows, and I'm going to use my Jevista Cosmetics Thirsty palette. So I'm going to apply Drizzle in the inner corner and Subtle at the outer corner. It's going to look super weird, but that's how her brows look like, so I'm going to do it as well, as weird as it may look. I'm just going to fill my brows with an angled brush. It's going to look so weird, but that's part of the challenge, I guess. I guess it looks okay on camera, but in real life it's pretty weird. Anyway, now I'm going to do the eyes, and her eyes are really the part of her makeup that stands out the most because she has bright green and blue eyeshadow. Now, Pullips have two different lids. They have the part of the lid that you see on the doll, and you have the part of the lid that you see when you make the doll close her eye. And on this doll in particular, the part that closes is blank with just an eyeliner line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply green and blue eyeshadow on my lid, and then I'm going to do a cut crease with a neutral color. She has a green eyeshadow in the inner corner and a bluish teal eyeshadow in the outer corner. So for the green eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever number 171, and I'm going to apply it in the inner half of my crease. And now I'm gonna take my Thirsty palette again, but now I'm going to be using the shade Splash, and I apply it on the outer half of my crease. And I'm also going to apply it in the outer V of my lid. And I apply a little bit of it on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Just a tiny little bit. And now I'm going to do a cut crease using my Sephora concealer. And now I'm going to add the shade Parched all over my lid. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Stroke as well as the shade Taste Buds, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line, just a little bit of it. Now I'm going to add some glitter to my eyes, and I'm using the Too Faced Guava Glitz Liquid Eyeshadow. I'm not going to apply a lot, just a little bit. And now I'm going to apply my eyeliner off camera. Now I'm gonna add mascara, and I'm using the Hypnose Drama Mascara. Next is highlighter. Now the dog doesn't have highlighter on her face up, which by the way is another word for makeup in the doll hobby. But I'm not going to do a makeup look without adding highlighter because I love highlighter. So I'm gonna add my Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter. I believe that's how it's called. And I'm not going to apply a lot of highlighter. I mean, I'm going to apply a lot less than usual, but this highlight is pretty blinding in itself, so I don't need to apply a lot. Now for the lips, Pullip Prunella has a peachy lip gloss, so I'm going to use my Too Faced Peach Lip Gloss in the color Pure Peach. And this lip gloss smells so nice. I really love it. It's one of my favorite glosses. So that's the result of the look. It's definitely not something that I would wear every day because I usually wear pink colors, but I don't mind this look actually. If you would like me to do other Pullip inspired makeups, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!